Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another video. In today's video, we are going to be doing step number 3 in refinancing your home mortgage. Make sure you like the video right here. Also subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. And if you're in the process of refinancing your home or you are thinking about refinancing, make sure you subscribe because I'll be doing a full tutorial on how to refinance your home mortgage from A to Z. Everything that you need to know about refinancing, you'll be able to find in this series and in this playlist. So make sure you subscribe and follow the journey along. Alright, so in step number 3, we are going to be answering the question of where do I find the best lender and how do I choose which lender is right for me. When refinancing your home mortgage, you want to find the best lender. You want to find the best interest rate, the best terms, and the lowest cost to refinance your mortgage. A lot of people simply go to the regular bank, the regular brick and mortar bank, and they go through them to refinance their mortgage. But a lot of the times, let's get real, most of the times these banks have higher interest rates, have higher closing costs, have higher fees than these new banks that strictly specialize in refinancing mortgages and providing mortgages for first-time home buyers. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how I personally find the top lenders to refinance a mortgage. And I'll be giving you 3 top lenders that I use personally in order to find which one is the best one for me and in order to compare interest rates and to compare terms between these 3 lenders. Alright, one quick side note, if you are a veteran, make sure to see if you qualify for a VA loan. These loans tend to have better interest rates and better terms. These are one of the benefits that veterans get for serving our country. So if you are a veteran, make sure to check those rates out and make sure to see the terms of VA loans. So when I decide to refinance a property, the first thing that I want to get done is to get 3 different quotes from 3 different lenders. This way I am able to compare the interest rates they are giving me, the cost of closing, and the terms that I can get with them. If you just go to your regular brick and mortar or you just decide to get one quote from one lender, you might be losing out on a ton of money and you might be settling for a higher interest rate. So the first tip that I have is get 3 lenders and get quotes from all 3. You can do a simple Google search on the top lenders to refinance a property. I'll include some of them in the description box below. These are some that I personally use, so make sure you check out the links in the description box below. These banks I have used before and they offer some of the best interest rates and terms. But the way I do it, I take 3 banks and I compare everything that these banks offer. I let them run my credit check and I let them get me the interest rates that I'm qualified for and the estimated closing cost and the terms and all the other important details that I look for when I refinance. So simply do a Google search of the top lenders to refinance a home mortgage and you are going to get a ton of suggestions of different lenders. Tip number 2, make sure you go through a lender that specializes in home refinancing and home mortgages. A lot of these brick and mortar stores, they offer checking accounts, savings accounts, investment accounts, a ton of other stuff. And they tend to charge a higher interest rate and higher fees. But if you go with a provider that strictly specializes in home mortgages and refinancing, most likely they will give you a better interest rate. Personally, I stay away from brick and mortar banks and I go directly to banks that offer refinancing and home mortgages. So after doing a lot of research, I have decided to go with these 3 refinance providers. First off, Quicken Loans. Quicken Loans is one of the biggest refinance companies in the United States. They have excellent customer service. Also, Quicken Loans offers some of the best interest rates and I'm a current customer. I already know how the platform works. I've been through the process with them multiple times and it's very easy to do it with Quicken Loans. The second company that I have chose is better.com. I have seen a lot of commercials online about better.com and some of the good interest rates that they offer. Also, I have read some of the reviews and some of the customer service feedback, and I have seen a lot of good reviews. So I decided to go with them as well. And my third choice is AmeriSave. I have not heard a lot about AmeriSave, but after going to the website, after seeing their interest rates that they provide, I could not pass them up. They are offering some of the best interest rates, and their customer service seems to be excellent. There's a lot of good feedback on this company. So those are the 3 companies that I have chosen. I will be doing a side-by-side comparison where I will compare interest rates, the terms I'm getting, the cost of closing, customer service, every single thing I will compare in the next step. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and make sure you watch the next step where I compare all 3 of these lenders, and I will choose which one is right for me. I will choose the best out of 3 and I will refinance my mortgage with them. And I will guide you along the way and show you every single step of the way. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and don't miss the next video. Alright, so after choosing your top 3 providers, we're going to let them run our credit check, and we are going to get an estimate with all the numbers from each of these lenders. Those are the 3 that I have chosen personally, simply because I have found that they offer some of the best interest rates, and the process is completely easy, and their customer service is excellent. But you do not have to go with these. You can find your own top 3 and compare them. But the main point of this video is to shop around. Do not just go to your local bank. Make sure to shop around. Make sure to get at least 2 to 4 different providers and compare them side by side. Also, after the lenders that you have chosen run your credit check, they should not have a problem giving you an estimate on your interest rate, on your closing costs, and all the other fees associated with refinancing. Also, the terms that you will be getting. So after they run your credit check and they get all your information, make sure they give you all of this information. This way you can print everything out, or you can compare them side by side on your computer. This way you decide what the best terms and what's the best rate that you can get, and you go with that lender. Simple and easy. Do not just pick one. Make sure you shop around. Alright everybody, that concludes this quick video. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you want me to make a specific video about refinancing or any particular topic, make sure you drop it in the comment section below. And as always, check out the links in the description box below. I'll have some important information that I failed to mention in this video. A lot of times when I make these videos, I forget some awesome information or awesome tips, so I end up putting them in the description box below. So make sure you check that out as well. And as always, see you in the next video. Peace out.